Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to factory reset an iPhone without Apple ID password. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser on your computer and search for iTunes. Download and install iTunes from a trusted website, or you can install it directly from the Microsoft Store. Once the installation is complete, open iTunes on your system. Now, connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. On your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds until your iPhone enters recovery mode. Go back to your computer and look at the iTunes screen. You will see a prompt showing 2 options. Click on the Restore option and wait for the process to complete. So that's basically how you can factory reset an iPhone without Apple ID password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.